Peace out, Edwards. All right, say bye hotel, say bye Disney.
Bye Disney.
We're hitting the road. First stop is Nellis Air Force Base. It's right outside of Las Vegas. We're staying there for the night and then heading on over to Albuquerque next. But we'll go ahead and hit the road. If we see anything interesting, any side attractions like that, we'll let you guys know. Only in Vegas.
After walking 5 miles, we're finally here. Get it, Bryson? Ah. Are you inside of a head? What? Hey, Bryson. Where's Bryson? There he is.
Day 2 on the road. We're leaving Nellis Air Force Base, which is right outside of Las Vegas, and we're heading down to the Grand Canyon, something that's been on our bucket list, and now we get to finally do it and make a road trip out of this thing.
It's gonna be 5 hours, so we'll see you when we get there.
Side note, it feels perfect outside. It's like 75 degrees, overcast, looks like it might sprinkle a little bit, but other than that, Vegas, you've been fun. Last night was awesome. Explored, and yeah, on to